So, we got a tractor, we got chains, we got oak, and oak, and oak, and more oak, and more oak. Gonna be a good video. Yeah, all seriousness, hauling oak logs out for milling, which is gonna be Saturday. It's Wednesday, so it's a couple days from now. Definitely get a video up for you guys. The latest Sunday. And then I'll show you what the mill is. It's a family friend who used them for, I don't know, probably 15 years. He has a wood miser, LT30 or an LT35. It's a fully hydraulic sawmill. It's awesome. He'll mill everything that we ask. So it's like a bandsaw that runs through on a sled. I'll take you more through it then, but keep it simple. I'm just hauling logs out today, so I'm gonna wrap the chain around one side, on this side of this, and then it's gonna wrap around the bar here, because it's gonna run to both sides of the axle where it's supposed to be towing from. So I'm gonna tow that one out. That's the smallest one of today. I'm gonna haul that one out right there, and then I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to them over here, right there. But I know there's 4 up there that'll be able to haul out. So I'll definitely get a video of one of them getting hauled out because they're gigantic. They're like 40 inches. This one's 15 inches, I think. That's 9 inches, so do it that way as well. So that's 9 inches. That's probably 10 to 15, or not 10, probably like 15 to 20 inch log. So that'll be it for talking. I'll get another video of hauling one of these big ones out, and then that'll be it for this video. Alright, so I'm at the second area now. This one's coming out, that one's coming out, that one's already cut. One up there is cut. There's another one over here. That one's the 50 incher. But this one's not all the way cut. I don't have a saw big enough. Camera makes it look out of justice, but that's 9 inches. So from this little mark right here to outside is a 20-inch bar. So I couldn't get all the way through this side, so I'm borrowing a friend's saw. He has a 4-foot bar on his saw, so I'll just cut it straight through, hopefully. So I can't haul that one out right now, so I'll do a non-stop video of hauling this one out right now. My chain stays attached. So it's not hard towing up. You just gotta pay attention, make sure your engine RPM stays good, that you don't lose any traction. So at this point, I'm gonna do a watch your volume warning, just in case. I'm running, I'll get it up into 5th gear here once I get up around that corner right there, and I'm running about 1700 RPM, which is premium torque for this particular machine. So get after it. wasn't that bad. So now that we're up here, I'm just gonna unhook chain, I'll drive away, and then I'll use the tractor to push that up in the stack. So this is the stack. So these two, those couple, so the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that I'm standing on are gonna be sawed for live edge tables. And then this one and this one that I'm standing on, these are gonna be cut quarter sawn. That's gonna be cut and quarter sawn, and then the rest of the non-live edge stuff is gonna be cut and quarter sawn. So I'm just gonna pull away from there, get the chains out from underneath, push this up tight. I'm gonna go down and get the rest. Other than that, this is gonna be the end of the video because it's just me hauling around. So see you guys later.